In primetime news this evening, underwater. Westmoreland and St. Thomas communities still flooded from tropical storm Raphael. Missing man and woman found dead in vehicle. And Prime Minister appeals for patience in St. Andrew following a massive breakaway.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Anthony Lug.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Now, later in the business day, arrivals from the UK on the increase. I'll have that and more later in the newscast.
And Jermaine Brown is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, thank you, Anthony. Well, West Indies fast bowler, seeing red, has been suspended for unsportsmanlike behavior in the third ODI against England. We'll tell you how much time he'll be spending on the sidelines.
So I was in traffic today, and I thought we were having Tropical Storm Raphael 2.0 because of all of this rain and water on the road. Romain, what's the cause of this?
Thanks, Janella. There is still lingering moisture across the center of the basin, and we still have much of that moisture being advected across Jamaica, helping to generate cloudy conditions and thunderstorm activity in the afternoons. And we expect similar conditions across sections of the east and center of the island tomorrow.
I heard that side, Janella. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what do you do when you're commuting and there's heavy flooding?
You can share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.